Okay, welcome back to the channel. Um you don't know this yet, but some of you might know. I am a scientist. I am a chemical engineer, and I work with chemicals, specifically artificial muscles, and the actuation of artificial muscles using the twisted and coiled theory that was written by Love um, back in the 1800s. And so I just wanted to share what some of my new endeavors are. And so let me show you the daily grind of being a chemical engineer and working on artificial muscles. So here we go. One item, polyethylene glycol. And that is the fundamental polymer that I'm going to be using. It is to make a gel, but in order to make a gel, what I need to do is functionalize both sides of that molecule. So let me show you what that molecule looks like. And then we'll go up to our spreadsheet here. Hopefully it's not too grainy, but I wanted to show you here that you're going to need PEG, which is polyethylene glycol. Right now it just has hydrogens on either side of the PEG, the polyethylene glycol. And this means that it can be any number of repeat units. Now, specifically, we have PEG 8000. If you can see there, PEG 8000, right here. And PEG 8000 means the molecular weight of the polyethylene glycol is 8,000 grams per mole. And so if you divide that by the number of carbons and the mass of carbon, which is 12, you divide that 8,000 by 12, that's how many repeat units you have, and that's your of N. Of course, you got to subtract the oxygens as well. There's 2 oxygens on each molecule, so and a whole bunch of hydrogens. So you can approximate it by dividing by 12. Anyway, then we want to add this, which is acrylic acryloyl chloride, which comes from acrylic acid. And we're going to do that in a bath of triethyl, 3-ethyl amines, triethylamine, and we're gonna add the acrylyl chloride dropwise, a little bit at a time, until they attach on either end of the oxygens. This is the same as polyethylene glycol, and so what we're going to do is finally synthesize this final product, which is polyethylene glycol. That's the middle part, and then we're going to have bifunctionalized polyethylene glycol using acrylic acid on both sides, well, acrylates on both sides, and both sides meaning 2 sides, so we say diacrylate. And so you have PEG-DA, polyethylene glycol diacrylate. And this is what we will use a photo initiator on to make a PEG-DA gel. And so there you have it. Civil repair. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to mix it up. You guys are going to be so like spread out with different content. Pick and choose what you want in the channel and what you're interested in. We're still doing our real estate investment property hunt, and we are still working on our Johnson 200 outboard boat motor, because you got to enjoy life, right? So like, share, subscribe. See you next time on Silver Repair.